A quick refrigerator pickle recipe featuring classic dill and garlic offers a versatile and crunchy result. This straightforward method yields flavorful pickles that can be stored in the refrigerator for several weeks. All you need to do is take 2.25 pounds of pickling cucumbers, such as Kirby or Persian, 2.5 cups of cold water, and 3 cups distilled white vinegar containing 5% of acidity, 2.5 tablespoons of kosher or pickling salt, 3 tablespoons each of whole mustard seeds, whole coriander seeds, and black peppercorns, 3 mince or smashed garlic cloves, fresh dill sprigs, 2 bay leaves, and optional red pepper flakes. Wash cucumbers, trim the blossom end, and slice. Pack tightly into clean wide mouth jar. Combine water, vinegar, and salt in a saucepan. Bring to a boil, stirring until salt dissolves. Remove from heat and cool slightly. Add the garlic, seeds, peppercorns, bay leaves, and dill to the jar with cucumber. Pour the warm brine over the cucumbers, leaving about half inch of headspace. Seal jars, cool to room temperature, then refrigerate. For optimal flavor, refrigerate for at least 24 hours. Pickles keep for up to 2 months in the refrigerator. Soaking cucumbers in ice water helps maintain crispness. Adjust sweetness with sugar and add other ingredients like red onions or jalapeños. Fresh whole spices enhance flavor and prevent cloudy brine. I hope you found this video useful. If you do, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe my channel.